All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50. It is the 3.0 turbo with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, sunroof, alloy wheels, only 3,000 miles on this car, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire, there it is. Over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread here is over 7/32. A hairline over, but it is that. Nice shot of your roof. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. Heavy scratch here. Less than an inch, and a little chippy right next to it. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Turn on the lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. I don't know which one of the top or bottom is your radio display. Either way, this is what it looks like. I know that the top is the camera. Boom. And the bottom, I don't know what it is. You got some stuff over here. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Two key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Alright, does have steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light on. And your mileage of 3,261. Very nice. Let's see what's going on here. Jesus Christ. It's a nice shot. It's a rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders and rear AC vents. Got a nice shot of your sunroof on this side. I forgot from the front there. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck lid looks good. I don't see stuff on it. This is what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is, I don't know what this is back here, but it does have, I did took away your owner's manuals back there. I believe it has some sort of run flat system. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's a rear driver's side, rear passenger rim. Very nice NLC curbing on this. The tire thread is over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks nice. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is a hairline under 7. All right, lights are working. I guess I didn't turn on the lights. Check that out real quick. Boom. Lights are working. Boom. Things are running, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive with 3,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.